Good everyone, it's just Addons. So this video, I'm gonna try to make some kind of barrel, but sci-fi part, like sci-fi barrel and sci-fi canister, things like that. I don't have a specific reference photo for this one, but yeah, I'm just putting these kind of barrels, putting in my hat. Okay. So I have a timer here. Let's just jump into Blender and let's turn on the timer. Let's go. Gonna do everything and make a cylinder quick. We have to make it quick and 64 sharpened. Maybe we're gonna add a bit of like that. A bit of closer here. And yeah. Wait. Need to be more upper. This one gonna be like that. And as well, yeah. And bevel it, and also it's actually look good with this thing. I think I'm gonna bevel this one. This actually look good, yeah. Bevel this part. Actually look good. Okay, I can live with that. And I'm gonna use I think I'm gonna use box cutter, and I'm gonna cut half. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good indeed. And also yeah, let's just apply it for now. And I'm gonna add control click and until here, I guess that's enough. Oh wait, that's okay. I think I'm gonna yeah. That looks good indeed. I think I'm gonna add material and also and assign for that one, so in case I want to change something later, I can do that. And I'm gonna add this loop here and also bevel, and this one I'm gonna insert again and make it like that, and when you copy, yeah, it will be the same now. Good. So this one is gonna be a, what is it, emission 5. So like that, yep, that's right. Alt amp. Oh, we can't. Anyway, I'm just gonna make it metallic. I forgot to add bevel here. Make sure doesn't get any artifacts here. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna add a cylinder again. I can just did it too. I'm gonna turn it to small and wide 19. Yep, like that. That looks good actually. I'm gonna insert this. Wait, I think yeah, I think like that. And bevel. Alt S. I think I'm gonna make it big though instead of make it small. I like it. It looks cute. And for this, I guess, well, that looks good, but I'm gonna make it darker. We're gonna array it to the, yep, like that. I think that's cool. It's good enough. And for it's gonna cost any artifacts, so I'm gonna I'm gonna apply the mirror first now. Let's see. Let's do it again. Anyway, I don't think we need this, so edges. Oh, we do need that? Okay, it's okay. Can I fix that? We can, but I just don't want to fix it like that. Yeah, I guess I can do that. Yeah. So for the top, I'm gonna slide this here, slide this here, right here, and insert, and insert again. Just a tiny bit, yep, like that, and make a selection, separate it, so again like that. And for this one, we're gonna I'm gonna fit that, and also just it's okay. We're gonna make a something like this and put it up. It's causing lots of geometry problems here. I think it's too high. Yeah, that looks good indeed. That looks good indeed. So for this part, I'm gonna add more array here. Just a tiny bit, like that. Good. Let's put some materials here. And like this. Mix RGB. Make it screened and a bit darker. Yeah, like that. And I'm gonna add decals. Decals 3, yeah, signed. That's right. That's right. That's right. And I'm gonna click all. And let's get the UV editor. And I'm just gonna keep projections and move it out. And I'm gonna change the repeat into clip. And I'm gonna select this one and keep projections. And there you go. And I just want to make it something like that, I think. Oh wait, I'm gonna use this thing, UV square, grid by shape, I think. I'm not sure. And let's make it like this. Yeah, and Y. I want it to be small. I want it to be small. Yeah. And I'm gonna put down here. Yeah. No, I like that. I like that. I actually like that. And you do not belong there. I don't want to put there. Anyway, let's make it black. I think I'm gonna make this one a bit darker there. Yeah. And as well for the cube again, let's put a small. Copy this. And I'll have this now. So and and just to rope like that, but make it like this. And I'm gonna go to mesh and sharpen it. Okay, 10 minutes is over. I'm gonna add it. Just give me time, buddy. Just give me time. Okay, just a bit of time. Would you give me some extra time? Yeah, like that. Absolutely good. Yeah, I get that. Not bad though. But I want it to be just a tiny bit like that. And also let's add ambient occlusions. Maybe 300 is enough, and 1.3. If it's a product, I usually just put it to 0.300. But if it's something like architectural, I like to put it like 1 meters, I guess. I'm not sure if I got extra roughness. I don't want it to be absolutely black, you know. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna render this on eevee or I could render it as well on cycle, which is gonna make it even more crazy. I think I want to try to make a chamfer if it's gonna look good. Yeah, that's really good. But I'm not gonna pick that one, and I'm just gonna pick this one. So here, I'm not gonna use that one, and boom. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And Control P, object, parent. Okay, good. And also, what else? Oh yeah, this one. Select. Is it that one? Oh, this one. Yeah. Select this one, and I think I'm gonna make a emission 5 to kind of orange. I really like warm color. I really do. So that's why. I think I'm not gonna make it on. I'm gonna unmark. Is it? Let's try to sharpen it again then. What is this? I don't want this. I don't want that. And muck. That weird. What if I'm gonna put a subdivisions that actually fix well? I think I could fix it without subdivision, but we don't have time. Okay. Anyway, I think it's finished. So let's make it into one collection here. Yep. And let's add more of it, you know. Go to the top, rotate, copy, and rotate, and copy again. And 90 here, I guess. I'm not really sure. And put it here as well. Sorry that the stream just dies. I don't know why. So yeah, I copy everything. I copy a lot of them, and I just put them all together. And 19. Go right here. And I'm gonna add a plane. Let's go to rendered mode. It actually look cool though. It does actually look cool. Let's add a Hdri Studio. Let's try this one. I never tried that one. I want to put it a bit dark, and also this one I'm gonna add. It's actually way too dark, but I'm gonna add this and also materials. Let's go add some roughness here. Yeah, that's indeed, I like that, I like that. I actually like that, so okay. Make it transparent for this one, and I think I'm gonna rotate 90, and as well here. Yep. Yeah, like that. That looks good. But this one, I'm gonna make it a bit smaller though. Kinda looks so big there. And high contrast. Look at that. So I guess that's it. Or I'm gonna rotate a bit here to make it even more visible. Can I rotate this? Oh, okay, I can't. Yeah, that looks good indeed. Oh, one more thing. Add some area light. Just here. And why? Adding a bit of touch, you know. Let's make it kind of orange. Yeah. Blue. Perfect. Size bigger. Like that, yeah. Get a bit of touch like that, it makes it even more cooler. Anyway, I think I'm gonna rotate this one so we can see the front. How does it look like? Anyway, wait, one more, please, one more. Wait. This is the thing, you know, when you like designing something, you just can't stop, mate. You just can't stop like that. So you can see what's going on in that black as night. Anyway, I think this is it. So I'm gonna show you the renders of the. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. See you next time.